Hello, buddies. Welcome to Knowing Unknown English. Here are some beautiful and famous logos with a hidden meaning. It turns out that some of the most well known logos in the world were designed to indicate something much more than simple beauty. In fact, it seems that in some cases, every line, curve, and color has meaning behind it. First one, at first glance, Amazon's logo appears to be nothing special, but it was designed with the philosophy of the company in mind. The orange arrow is similar to a smile as the company wants its customers to be satisfied. The arrow is also stretched between the letters A and Z in a hint that the company sells absolutely every product imaginable from A to Z. Next, the apple. Rob Yana, the designer who created with the world famous Apple company logo, has explained how he came up with the idea. I bought a whole bag of apples, placed them in a bowl, and spent time drawing them for a week, trying to break the image down into something simple. Taking a bite of an apple was part of the experiment, and completely by coincidence, I realized that bite sounded exactly the same as the computer term byte. Many people, including me, are inclined to think that the logo of the South Korean conglomerate Hyundai is simply the first letter of its name. But actually, the letter H symbolizes two people, means a client and a representative of a company shaking hands. And the next one is Adidas. The name Adidas is derived from that of its founder Adolf Dassler. The company's logo has changed over time, but it always included three stripes. The current configuration is three stripes at an angle which together form a triangle. This symbolizes a mountain which in turn represents the challenges which all athletes have to overcome. Our next one is BMW. It's often supposed that the central part of the BMW logo symbolizes the rotating blades of an airplane in line with the company's early history of aviation technology, but is in fact simply a part of the Bavarian flag, the area of Germany where the company originated. And next one, LG. The logo of the South Korean electronics company, LG, is a stylized image of a person's face. According to the company, this represents its aspiration to maintain ordinary human relations with its customers. And the next one. In the world famous logo of the Coca Cola company, in the space between the letters O and L, one can clearly see the Danish flag. Purely a coincidence, the company has nevertheless used this as part of its marketing campaigning in the Scandinavian country. And the next most interesting one, Pepsi. It's hard to believe, but Pepsi paid over $1 million to create this special logo with its secret meanings. The new special design hints at mysterious and secretive themes, such as the Earth's magnetic field, Feng Shui, Pythagoras, geodynamics, the theory of relativity, and the golden ratio. The designer has explained that this logo also makes reference to the Mona Lisa, the Parthenon, and even Rene Descartes. The red, white, and blue colors have always represented the American flag. And the last one, Toyota. Many people have compared the logo of the Japanese car producer Toyota to the image of a cowboy wearing a stereotypical hat, but it actually represents a stylized image of the eye of a needle with a thread passed through it. This is a hint at the company's past of a time when it used to produce waving machines. At the same time, the individual parts of a logo also spells out the letters of the company name. I think you would like it this video. I think you liked this video, so please share and subscribe.